Gluten-free lifestyle, perfect for those with celiac disease, gluten sensitivity, or anyone curious about a wheat-free journey. Stick around as we uncover the perks, share tasty gluten-free options, and dish out some handy tips for navigating this wholesome lifestyle. Understanding gluten. Let's start with the basics. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, rye, and their derivatives. For some individuals, consuming gluten can lead to adverse reactions, making a gluten-free diet essential for their health. 2. Benefits of a gluten-free diet. Going gluten-free can offer several benefits, especially for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. It can alleviate digestive symptoms, reduce inflammation, and improve overall well-being. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. 3. Foods to enjoy on a gluten-free diet. Okay, now, let's talk about the good stuff, what you can enjoy on a gluten-free diet. First up, naturally gluten-free grains like rice, quinoa, and oats. Make sure they're labeled gluten-free. Fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and nuts are also typically gluten-free. 4. Gluten-free alternatives. For those who love their baked goods, fear not. There are plenty of gluten-free alternatives available. Look for products made with gluten-free flours like rice, almond, or coconut flour. Gluten-free pasta, bread, and cereals have become increasingly accessible too. Reading labels. A crucial tip for navigating a gluten-free diet is becoming a pro at reading labels. Gluten can sneak into unexpected places, so look out for terms like wheat, barley, rye, and malt. Many packaged foods now come with clear gluten-free labeling, making it easier for you. 6. Cross-contamination awareness. Cross-contamination is a real concern for those with celiac disease. When preparing meals, use separate cutting boards, utensils, and cooking surfaces to prevent gluten from coming into contact with gluten-free foods. 7. Dining out tips. Dining out? Don't worry, many restaurants now offer gluten-free options. However, it's essential to communicate your dietary needs to the staff, ask about preparation methods, and ensure they understand the importance of avoiding cross-contamination. 8. Whole, unprocessed foods. While there are many gluten-free processed products available, focusing on whole, unprocessed foods is a fantastic way to ensure a nutritious and balanced gluten-free diet. These foods are naturally free of gluten and offer a wide range of nutrients. 9. Consultation with a dietitian. For personalized guidance, consider consulting with a registered dietitian or nutritionist experienced in gluten-free diets. They can help you create a well-balanced meal plan, ensuring you get all the essential nutrients your body needs. Conclusion. And there you have it, a crash course on navigating a gluten-free diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more.